Hello and welcome to today's episode of GTA 4. We're gonna continue the missions and finding out who betrayed us. Well, it's clearly not Florian, but
This is like global warming, totally.
Don't get me started about that.
let's see. Hating the haters.
Florian, open the door. Nemoj desipeda.
Govor Ingleski! And I told you it's Bernie!
Then Bernie, open the door. What's going on?
Come in. The haters are trying to kill me. I can't stand it. I won't stand it. It's not fair. I'm just being me.
Bernie, what are you talking about?
I came to this country to be myself. To get away from small-minded, angry, macho pricks.
Oh, like me.
Yes! Well, no. Well, you know what I mean. It was hardly the most progressive place. How does my hair look?
Fine.
I put a rinse in. Tawdry night.
Nice.
Bryce found some gray hairs. If he leaves me, I'll kill myself.
Forget about your hair, Florian.
Bernie,
I mean Bernie. What's the problem?
someone is threatening to kill me. Every time I go out jogging and doing aerobics or playing Ultimate Disc, some guy comes up and threatens me. He's loco.
Why is he threatening you?
Because... I think just because I'm fabulous.
What?
I keep thinking I'm being followed and I don't know why. I'm a prisoner in my own home.
Okay, Bernie, let's go out and have a look.
Ooh, I'm so glad you've come back into my life.
That's cool. But listen, you and I don't know each other.
How can you say that? I thought you were different.
Because we want this guy to attack you. Come on.
I do my exercises in Middle Park, Nico.
Cool.
Nico, you're still in great shape. You work out?
Not really. I keep active, you know?
Is there a name for that fitness plan? I'd take a class if I could be guaranteed buns like yours.
It's called getting chased by the cops and being errand boy for the mob.
Ah. We're going for a jog, Nico. Try to keep up and stay back, too. We don't want to be rumbled. Chase my tail, babe! Hiya! Let's go! Hey there. Look at that. Follow me!
Oh god.
I'm about done with you, homo!
Why?
Why don't you pick on someone who'll fight back?
What's your problem, fag lover?
Whatever you
Jesus.
say, buddy. Unfortunately, for hitting my friend, I'm going to kick the shit out of you.
What a scumbag. Oh, shit. Okay. Get up there, you oh, God almighty.
cheesy vagina.
Oh wait, so it's that now. Okay.
Too funny. Forensics is gonna be busy.
Whoops,
What is this
sorry.
now, huh?
Get out of the way, for God's sake.
Mommy, don't kill me.
Mierda!
Is that sound what I think it is?
Motherfucker!
Hey, what's stopping traffic? What is this?
Oh my god! I can't die! I've never been to Paris!
I'm not dressed for jail! We need to get out of here!
I'm probably gonna have to, I'm probably gonna have to, censor all that things that the hater said.
Me, you know.
He's not going to attack you again.
No, he ain't. You're an absolute sweetie, Nico Bellic. I never would have thought it. Vidimo se skoro divniko veći.
Late checkout. We're doing this shit again.
You listen to me, Isaac. Listen, Dick. It's not my fault you got robbed. Not my
We've always seen this before, so no problemo. Oh, for God's sake! You're joking.
Oh no!
Time Daddy's credit card took another pounding.
Sweet! Ah, shit!
Okay. Now we can move on with the mission without any watching levels.
Bye.
We got a live one here!
Stand him out!
It's now, you son of a bitch! What the fuck you want? Hey,
Give a shit!
let's go! Just me and you! That's all.
You're dead, friend!
Ah, God, man, come on, don't do it! Don't kill me! I'm gonna have to fucking hurt you! So long! Hey, dipshit! Nowhere else to go!
Fuck you! Damn you! I'll cut off your fucking head!
We got you surrounded, asshole! Me, man! You win!
I told
Save yourself, run!
It's you on me!
I'm going for him!
Shit.
You're mine.
You should have found a better way to live.
We have reports of shots fired at the Majestic Hotel on Middle Park.
We're fine. Oh shit, okay. Shit, now I have to go back down there? No.
I got you.
Oh, shit, okay.
Good hell, pal!
Okay, we defeated it this time. Now... Oh shit, that actually doesn't look too bad. Not a bad looking area. Oh. Never mind. Smackdown.
I told you I'm not gonna go. Brother, I'm supposed to take care of my family.
Hey!
I'm beyond being taken care of now.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Your brother said you needed a hand. Looks like you'll need more than that.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Oh.
Hey! Wake up, you fucking junkie!
I'm awake. I was just wishing you'd leave. Hey! Hey! Sit down. That's pretty good gear. Pretty high.
Good for you.
Okay. Don't get sanctimonious on me.
Okay. Why do you do this to yourself?
Because it feels nice. Because it feels better to be high than not.
Does it stop you thinking?
It stops you caring. Which is even better.
So, what do you care about?
I care about getting people back who claimed I was a grass. People who used that to steal shit off me.
Maybe that's what your brother was talking about. When they said you needed help taking care of all the business.
Sure. I mean, I ain't a saint. I ain't a man of principle. I messed up. But I tried. I made a mistake. But I admitted it.
We all make mistakes.
Exactly! And this guy is still threatening to kill me and my family!
What's his name?
Bucky Sligo.
Bucky Sligo.
I heard he was living in Alderney. Can you get access to police computer?
Sure.
Find the fuck. Shut him and his pals up.
Okay.
His pals up.
Shit. Oh, for God's sake, another cop car we need to find. Oh, come on. That'll do.
We should take those.
Just a few blocks away.
Come on, get going.
Ah, shit. What's his name? Fuck.
Get out of the way.
Great. Bucky Sligo. Oh god.
D, motherfucker, D. D is in drive. This your first time driving stick, motherfucker?
Sorry! Hey, Derek. Apparently your guy hangs out at the burger shop in Alderney.
Go check it out. Make sure his boys are there. I want them all to pay.
What if he's alone?
Keep the police car. He'll see you and think you're taking him down. First thing Bucky'll do is run back to his crew. Fucking coward! Would rather everyone go down than him take a fall alone. Sold me out, didn't he?
I guess he did, man. I'll tell you when it's done.
What am I going to do with that brother of mine? I need to.
Heads are gonna warm.
I didn't get you.
back to your friends, Bucky.
Stop breaking the law, asshole! Pulling over on the side of the road! You have the right to remain silent! Oh, you're joking.
Let's end this shit!
Oh, shit, man.
You're surrounded, shit! Screw you! Get down! I'll take care of him!
I hate those things!
Son of a bitch! Now we smash your face! Get out, bro! I'll take care of this fucker! Here we go! This prick is mine! You think that was a joke?
Well, let's get the hell out of here. We have finally.
Nico, my boy. Good to hear your voice. To speak to you, I mean.
Derek, you okay? Bucky and his boys are dead.
What? Sorry, not off for a second. Bucky dead? Good. Yeah, alive, but dead. It's all the same though, isn't it? Living, dead, good, bad, right, wrong, chalk, shit.
I'll speak to you when you're back among the living.
Aye. Truck hustle.
Uh-huh. That thing? Our friend did what? 37 at 8? Nah. What about them swingers? How's Marlene? The kids? Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I gotta go. Ciao. Hey, Ray. So, who's the pal?
Phil, you remember Nico? He's a good friend of mine. Can we talk?
Sure we could talk, as long as we don't talk too much. Interesting times, you know what I mean? Did you hear about our friend, the guy with the thing?
Yeah, you mean Harry, the guy with the hat?
No, the guy with the, you know, the bada-beep bada-boop.
Yeah, the guy with the... and the...
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, I heard.
So be cool, Ray. Listen, I need to speak to you alone.
Yeah, Phil, see, that's the thing. I kind of know what you're gonna ask, and I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
I can't do it, Phil. I got a lot of interest right now, business is really taking off, and I don't want any distractions.
Well, as you could see, I got my own issues here.
Look, Nico is good. He'll do what you need.
And you say he's a friend of yours? Sure. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Come here. The Triads have this big chunk of brown they're desperate to get rid of. Talking about it all over town. Wanting to offload it at any price. They think it's cursed or something. Prove it is. Take it from them. It's loaded into a truck going to Franklin Street in West Dyke. Get a hold of it and give me a call.
Sure. But Mr. Bell, it's going to cost you.
You got it, no problem.
Great. Say, nice stereo you got there, Phil.
Thanks.
Yeah, so Philly, you ever hear from your ex-wife?
What kind of question is that?
Just asking.
Get the hell out of here. Every time, this motherfucker. Ugh.
I'll be in touch, Nicky.
In 200 yards, turn right.
Check the latchkey number.
Turn left. Turn right. In 200 yards, turn right.
If I stand here long enough, they'll become a celebrity.
In 50 yards, turn right. Bing bong.
It just said bing bong. It didn't use the bing like the actual sound. They used. Yeah, they didn't use that. They used the voice.
Turn right. You have arrived.
Okay.
yourself!
Here
You're
we
being
go!
shot!
I'm gonna do it!
Fuck your balls.
鬼俾我哋包圍啊！我衝㗎啦！你我又要 Gonna be ready for you, die, friend!
I'm going for you! No way out! You're fucking
Stay
down!
down!
No more! Aiming right for us!
Be prepared! I'm going to get it! Look at me! You are scared now! Ah! I'm sorry! I quit! Please don't kill me! You are mine! I can shut the fucker down! I give up! Really?
Got him on lockdown! Turn this way!
Get in! Oh my god!
I've been shot in the leg!
How in God's green earth am I supposed to... Oh my...
I'm zeroed in on him!
Okay, don't hurt me!
Okay, this is bullshit. How am I supposed to chase it if I can't... Oh my god. How?
My ass!
That's bullshit!
Lock, man.
If it would hurry up.
Stay down! So long!
Aiming right for us!
I got this asshole! I'm gonna do it! Fuck off!
I'm going for you!
You glad you messed with me?
No!
I can shut the fucker down!
I've got him on lockdown!
Come back here with that heroin! Oh, can't they make this easy? Oh, shit! Ah, dumb fucker! Damn, try it, truck driver!
Go! Oh, for fuck's sake!
Oh, this could really hurt. Oh, shit!
Get up! Fucking hell!
white fucking heroin.
There we are.
I've got a complaint about your driving, asshole.
What's the fucking holdup?
Bill, man, I got that thing you were after. What do you want me to do with it?
The wedding present from my nephew Frank. Take it out to the big house over Fever and Andy. You know the one I mean. He'll be waiting here.
This area feels familiar. No, it's not. It just looks familiar for some simple reason.
Hey, you Frankie? Your uncle asked me to give you this wedding present. You're a lucky guy.
I don't know about that. I gotta sit on this stuff until Phil gets over his paranoia, and we could ship it. Meantime, I gotta pack it into some cars that go faster than this thing.
Sounds like a fun honeymoon. Later on.
Get in. Get on. Ah, great, of course.
Give me the car, Shane.
What are you doing? Now!
Stay away from me.
My goddamn
Well, that's gonna be the end of this episode. Hope you liked and subscribed if you enjoyed. Bye bye.